Fight or flight, rest and digest. Two sides of a coin. Fight or flight, we all know what that's for, okay? Bear comes in this room, it better kick in, all right? It'll heighten my hearing, it'll heighten my other senses, all right? But it will shut down things like my digestion. So it changes how I store water, how I store fat, okay? Because you don't really need to digest well when you're just, running away from a wild animal, okay? Other side of that coin though, rest and digest. This is where your healing happens, okay? This is where your cells repair, where your body restores itself, okay? If you always stay in that heightened sense with too much stress, you never get to rest and digest. This is where chiropractic comes in, okay? By chiropractic adjustments allowing you to lower your cortisol levels, what will happen is you'll go from that fight or flight into rest and digest a lot easier, okay? If you have more questions about this and how to turn your nervous system to the healing process, please comment below and we'll reach out to you.